Sensing your request for a YouTube video script on how to scan Tangem wallet, I understand you need an engaging, 550-word script starting with a question, building context, and ending sharply. I will exclude scene and narrator information and avoid standard intros. Here's the plan. 1. Craft a captivating opening question *, something that immediately grabs attention and piques curiosity about digital asset security and accessibility. 2. Build context *, briefly explain what Tangem is and why scanning it is relevant, highlighting its unique features, card-based, seedless. 3. Step-by-step guide * detail the process of scanning a Tangem wallet, including what users need, phone, app, card, and the simple actions involved. 4. Benefits of scanning * elaborate on why this process is beneficial for managing crypto, emphasizing ease of use and security. 5. Troubleshooting /tips * briefly touch upon common issues or best practices for a smooth experience. 6. Sharp ending * conclude precisely as requested. Let's begin by gathering some information to ensure the accuracy of the steps. Hashtag is your crypto truly secure if you can't even touch it? In a world increasingly digitized, the concept of holding your wealth in your hands might seem like a relic of the past. Yet, when it comes to cryptocurrency, bridging the gap between the digital and the physical can be the ultimate form of security and convenience. Forget complex setups, fragile devices, and the ever-present fear of losing a lengthy seed phrase. What if managing your digital assets was as simple as tapping a card? Welcome to the future of self-custody with Tangem. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that resemble miniature computers, Tangem reimagines crypto storage as a sleek, credit card-sized device. It's a revolutionary approach that prioritizes simplicity and robust security, eliminating common vulnerabilities associated with software wallets and even some traditional hardware options. The magic lies in its NFC technology and the powerful EAL6 Plus certified chip embedded within each card. This chip generates and securely stores your private keys, ensuring they never leave the card, making it virtually immune to online hacks and malware. No batteries, no cables, no charging, just pure, unadulterated cold storage. So, how do you interact with this ingenious piece of tech to manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies? The answer is incredibly simple: you scan it. Scanning your Tangem wallet is the gateway to your digital funds, enabling you to check balances, send transactions, and even initiate swaps directly from your smartphone. It's the essential step that connects your physical Tangem card to the digital world of your assets, all while maintaining the highest level of security. Ready to see how seamless it truly is? Let's dive into the straightforward process of scanning your Tangem wallet. First things first, you'll need two things: your Tangem card and your smartphone. Make sure your phone is NFC enabled. Most modern smartphones, both Android version 6.0 and higher, and iOS version 14.5 and higher, excluding iPhone 6s and original SE, come equipped with NFC capabilities. You might need to enable NFC in your phone settings if it isn't already. Next, download the official Tangem app from your device's app store. This is your interface with the card, designed for intuitive navigation and secure transactions. Once the app is installed, open it up. Now for the main event, scanning your Tangem card. On your phone, locate the NFC module. On most Android devices, it's usually near the top or center of the back. For iPhones, it's typically at the very top edge, near the rear camera. If you're using a Tangem ring, remember to remove it from your finger and place it against the NFC module. With the Tangem app open, simply bring your Tangem card or ring close to your phone's NFC module. You don't need to swipe; a gentle tap or holding it steadily in place is enough. You might feel a slight vibration or hear a soft beep, and the Tangem app will display a scanning animation or progress indicator. It's crucial to keep the card or ring still against your phone until the scan is complete. If you move it too soon, the connection might be interrupted, and you'll need to try again. For optimal scanning, we recommend removing your phone case, especially if it's thick or metallic, as it can sometimes interfere with the NFC signal. Also, ensure there are no other NFC-enabled cards like bank cards in your phone case that could cause interference. Once the scan is successful, the Tangem app will display your wallet information, including your balances and transaction history. You might be prompted to enter your access code, which acts as an additional layer of security for your funds. Remember to remove the card or ring from your phone while entering the access code and only place it back when the app prompts you for another scan. And that's it. In a few simple taps, you've securely accessed your digital assets. This tap-and-go method makes managing your crypto incredibly convenient, whether you're checking your portfolio on the go or authorizing a transaction. The beauty of Tangem is that your private keys never leave the secure element of the card, making every scan a secure and self-contained interaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.